Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your playlist cover on Amazon Music. This is a common question many users have when they want to personalize their playlists. So let's walk through what's possible and how you can work with Amazon Music's system to get the cover you want. First, open your Amazon Music app on your computer or laptop and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding, as you'll need access to your playlists to make any changes. Now, here's something important you need to know before we go any further. Unlike Spotify or Apple Music, Amazon Music doesn't currently let you manually upload or select a custom playlist cover. This is a limitation of the platform, and it's something that catches many users off guard. Instead, Amazon Music automatically picks the cover based on the songs in your playlist. The cover updates whenever you add or remove tracks, so the system is constantly adjusting it based on your playlist's content. While you can't directly choose your own image, there is an alternative way to influence which cover appears. The trick is to strategically organize your playlist so Amazon Music selects the artwork you want. Here's how it works. Start by adding songs with the album art you want to see as your playlist cover. Think about which album or single has the visual you prefer and make sure those tracks are in your playlist. Once you've added them, put those songs at the top of the playlist. Amazon Music tends to prioritize the artwork from the first few tracks when generating the cover, so positioning is key here. Next, remove other songs that have different artwork, especially if they're near the top of the playlist. By clearing out tracks with competing visuals, you're giving Amazon Music fewer options to choose from, which increases the chances it'll use the artwork you want. Sometimes the playlist cover will update based on those top tracks almost immediately, but other times it might take a moment to refresh. If you don't see the change right away, try closing and reopening the app or give it a few minutes to sync. While this method isn't as direct as manually uploading an image, it's the most reliable way to control your playlist cover on Amazon Music. By curating which songs appear at the top and removing conflicting artwork, you can guide the platform toward displaying the cover you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.